Welcome to the part 2 tutorial for how to crochet this capybara burger. For this tutorial, we're going to be doing the buns and finishing up our capybara. If you want to make the body, make sure to check out the first tutorial. I will link it in the description below. Now without further ado, let's get started. We have the body right now, and we're going to start to work on the bun. So grab your bun color and your crochet hook, and let's get started making the bun. So we're going to grab our bun color, and we're going to start by making 6 single crochets in the magic ring. I have an easier tutorial for how to do the magic ring if you're not sure how to do it, so make sure to click that below. I will link it in the description box. Now, into the magic circle, we're going to make 6 single crochets. Once you have 6 single crochets, you're going to grab on this ring and pull it tight. And then now our first round is done. I have finished round 2, and now we're going to move on to round 3. In round 3, we're going to first start with a single crochet into the first stitch, like this. And now into the second stitch, we're going to do an increase like we did in the past round. And now we're going to repeat that pattern of single crochet increase all the way around. So the next stitch will be a single crochet, and the stitch after that will be an increase. And once you finish this round, I'll bring you guys back to continue. Once you finish round 3, you can do a slip stitch and then a chain 1, and let's start round 4. Round 4, we're going to begin by doing 2 single crochets. So that's 1, and then the second one. And then into the third stitch, we're going to do an increase. This is the pattern we're going to repeat all the way around. So again, we're going to do 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and then do an increase into the stitch after that. So finish this round up. So go all around, and I'll bring you guys back when we're done. Now that we're done with round 4, we have no more increase rounds left. So for round 5, which is our last round, we're just going to single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So that means we'll be single crocheting 1 into every stitch all the way around until you get back to the beginning. Don't forget to slip stitch, and then you will be fastening off and leaving our ends in. So do this round, and I'll bring you guys back when you're done. After round 5 is done, we are done with the top bun of our hamburger. So grab your scissors, and we're going to cut the yarn. After you finish with round 5, make a slip stitch and then fasten off. Leave quite a bit of the tail for weaving, but you can always add more yarn later if you didn't cut it long. So now we're going to sew it on to the top of the capybara, just like this. Once you're done sewing the top bun of your capybara, you can use your yarn needle and some white yarn to just stitch a few little seeds on with your white yarn. And now we're going to get started on the bottom bun. So to make the bottom bun, we're going to get the same yarn that we used for the top bun, and we're going to make a magic circle. The first round is going to be 6 single crochets in the magic ring. Once you're done with your first row, we're going to slip stitch to the first single crochet that we made, like so. And then we're going to chain 1. Now for round 2, we're just going to increase all the way around. So that means we're going to do 2 single crochets into the same stitch. And we're going to repeat that all the way around. So at the end of this round, you should have 12 stitches, and I'll meet you guys back when you're done with this round. For round 3, we're going to repeat the pattern of single crochet and increase. So that means we're going to start by doing a single crochet, and then in the next stitch we're going to do an increase. Now this pattern is repeated all the way around. Round number 4 is going to be our last increase round. So for round 4 we're going to do 2 single crochets, and then we're going to do an increase into the 3rd stitch. And we're going to repeat that all the way around. Once you are done with round 5, or round 4 like I am, we're going to start round 5. But before we do that, we're going to do a slip stitch, and then we're going to chain 1. For our last round, we're just going to single crochet back loop only in each stitch all the way around. So this is the back loop, and we're going to find all of the back loops and only loop into them, leaving the front loop there. After you've finished making this will be your bottom bun. We're going to sew it to the back of the capybara on the bottom like this. And after that, you will be done. This is your final product. I hope you guys had fun learning how to do this. If you do, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below.